Open the Samurai Structure tab. Find Opening Creator in the BM Structural panel and click it. Opening Creator does two jobs in one window. It copies architectural shafts straight into your structural model. It drops voids wherever MEP elements clash with your walls or beams. Start on the Shaft Opening tab. Pick the linked architectural model that owns the shafts you want to bring over. Set the scope. Selected lets you pick shafts by hand. Active View grabs everything on the open view. An entire project pulls in every shaft from a link. Leave Stamp Monitor on. Every copied shaft gets a fingerprint, so the tool can spot any later edits on the architect's side or on yours. The two tolerances control how forgiving Analyze is when it matches shafts across the link. Click Copy Shafts. Every shaft in your chosen scope lands in the host model in a single transaction. Run Analyze anytime you want. It compares your host model against the linked source and surfaces every difference in one clean table. Each row gets a label: changed, local edit, unstamped, conflicting, adjusted, new, or deleted, so you know exactly what's happened to that shaft since it was last stamped. Per row, you can view it in the model, fix it to match the source, accept the difference, create one that's missing, stamp an existing shaft as monitored or deleted. And if you trust your model, use Stamp All to adopt every unstamped or conflicting row in one click. Now switch to the MEP Openings tab. Pick the linked MEP model. Choose whether to clash against walls, beams, or both, and scope the search to the active view or the entire project. Filter out small surfaces using min pipe diameter and min duct size. Anything below the threshold gets skipped, and for rectangular ducts, it's the larger dimension that counts. Clearance is the per side margin added around the MEP profile when sizing the void. Round to snaps the final dimensions up to the next clean multiple, so 50 rounds a 327mm duct up to 350. Leave Stamp Monitor ticked, and every fixed void stays tracked against its source MEP. Untick it for a one-shot opening you don't want redetected later. Click Detect Clashes. Every conflict shows up with its kind, shape, size, host element, and exact location in the model. View jumps to the clash. Fix druips als sized void. Unstamp keeps the opening but stops tracking it. Delete removes the void. Tick a few rows for Fix Selected, or hit Fix All for the whole grid. And that's the Opening Creator command in Samurai Structure. This add-in's free with limited usage. For unlimited access, subscribe to the Samurai Revit Addins tier. Just $5 a month, and there's a lifetime option too. And there are many more powerful features waiting inside. Open the About window from the Samurai panel. Click License, and your unique PC fingerprint shows up at the top. Copy it, send it to us, and we'll send back your license string.